Hello guys, Balter here. Today I will be doing a different kind of video, so you read that title correctly. In this video I will expose an exploit and how to do it involving using the Codex Umbra as any character other than Maxwell. Firstly, I will say this exploit wasn't easy to find, but with the help of code blocks, ChatGPT, and random team of programmers I hired on Fiverr I was able to crack the code. Okay, enough talking, let's get right into it. First you will need to download this very specific mod called Better Spellcasting. Then we will be jumping into the mod folder, which should be located in your C directory. Click on Program Files x86, then click on Steam, then click on Steam Apps, then click on Workshop, then click on Content, then click on 322330, and finally click on the file 3102130643 as this is the ID folder for that mod. Now we will click on this file with the notepad icon titled mod main, which will be where the code for the mod is located. We can now begin our next step, which is modifying the code and making the codex usable for every character. First we must remove or delete every instance in the code that states player.prefab = Maxwell, as this is part of the program which checks if the user is Maxwell before performing an action with the codex. For most of you who don't understand the code, I have compiled my own version of it in GitHub under in the descriptions. Just click on the link. Make a copy of the code so you can edit it, as you'll need to edit the line 355. Change Balter into any character you plan to play as this line checks your character in PvP servers if they are Balter or Willow before allowing them to use the codex, but if you aren't planning to use that item in PvP you can just ignore this. Then after you finish that, copy paste the whole code and replace it into the previous code in mod main, and save it. Make sure to not do this while Don't Starve Together is running, as this may cause disrupt your system. Okay, with that done, the hard part is out of the way. Now let's enter the game and click on the mod. Configure the mod by setting the cast instant. I prefer to have my Shadow Prison as G and Trap as H, but it's up to you what key you decide to bind. And just like that, now any character can use the Codex Umbra. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if this video gets over 2,000 likes, I will be tackling another extremely secret exploit which I have dubbed Craft Canceling. Balter out.